Hey guys, welcome in this new video. I hope that all of you are doing great. So in this video, what we're going to talk about is how to control your fears in trading and how to lower them. So this is a very important topic. I really wanted to talk about this one today because a lot of people suffer from their fears and it really gets in the way of them actually getting good results. So that's really the idea of the video. So just before that we start, as always, guys, don't forget to leave a like under the video. I would really appreciate it, and make sure as well that you're subscribed to the channel if it's not already done. So let's dive in right into it. So how to control your fears. So in order to explain you guys this, what I will do is simply talk about my own experience in trading, and you will see how I've been able myself to control my fears. So at the beginning of my journey, when I was 15 years old and just starting to learn how to trade, I had a lot of fears and a lot of doubts. I did not really know how it was going, how trading would be, and if I was going to make money or lose money. So I had a lot of doubts, and that's perfectly normal. When you start something and when you know nothing about it, then you will have these doubts, right? It's completely, it makes a lot of sense, right? And so as I kept on learning and improving myself, I've realized that I had less and less fears inside of me. And today, right, 6 years later, I really have not a single ounce of fear in me when I trade. I don't doubt myself. I don't fear the market. I'm in full control of my emotions. And it's been the case for quite some time. You know, I cannot even remember when it was the last time that I really had fears related to my trading. And so as you guys can see, well, the way that I've been able to actually achieve this is simply by actually understanding more and more what I was doing and what I had to do on markets in order to get good results. That's really the idea, and that's what I was focusing on, all right? And in order to actually get there, what you have to do is work on your trading and on yourself, but mainly on your trading. And so one of the mistakes that I see a lot of people doing when it comes to, getting better with their emotions in general is that they simply focus on themselves, right? They will write affirmations, they will read books, they will watch YouTube videos and stuff like that. And there's nothing wrong with that, right? It's completely fine, and it's a great way to improve yourself. But you cannot just do this and expect results. What you also need to do is work on your trading directly, become a better trader, improve your understanding. And by doing that, then you will be more in control and you will have less fears inside of you. And this is something that I really see often in our trading group in Reversal Master. So I've been doing the course now for a couple of years, and I've taught a lot of people, over 250 members are currently in the group. So I've taught all of these people, right? And so one thing that I really see often with my students is that when they start a course, of course, they don't really know how it's going, how, things will evolve from there, the kind of results that they will get and stuff like that. And so, well, they are a bit anxious, right? They're a bit stressed at the beginning. And again, that's normal, right? But as they go through the course, as they learn and as they improve their skill, I see these fears being removed. And if when we look inside our group, right, with our students, one thing that it's very easy to notice is that everyone is very calm. We're all relaxed. And I would not even tolerate someone being too crazy with their emotions and all over the place, because that would not be really the good environment for trading. So I want my students to succeed. It's a very straightforward approach, right? It's very direct, but that's the idea, right? So I want them to succeed, and so I want them to develop themselves and be in control of their emotions. And so that's what we see in the group, and that's amazing. Everyone is always calm. Everyone is always relaxed. Even if something big happens on markets, no one is crazy about it, and that's the idea. When you look at other group, you have a lot of people who, when the markets are going up, they get super crazy, right? You can see that through how they write, that they are super happy and hyped up, And when the markets are going down, it's the opposite, right? They're super depressed and stuff like that. And it's really not good for trading. It's not how it works, guys. You cannot just jump around all over the place with your emotions. You need to be calm, you need to be in control and neutral in order to get good results and be consistent over the long term, all right? So that's really the idea. And that's how it works. It's super, super important. And if you don't do this, then you're not going to get good results. So my tip for you guys with this video is simply to remind you that if you want to get in control of your fears and just your emotions in general, you need to focus, yes, on yourself, but also on simply getting better and improving your understanding of the markets, right? And I really focus on the word understanding. It's not even really about being profitable or not. Of course, it's going to help you if you are profitable, right? But it's about understanding what you are actually doing and what you have to do and all the different components inside of your system. This is really what will make the big difference. It's been the case for me, and it's been the case for a lot of my students. So take my words for that. If you become a better trader in general, you will be more in control of your emotions, and this will create kind of a loop if you want, and this will just increase your probabilities of actually getting good results. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a relatively short one, but that's the idea that I wanted to share with you guys in this one. So if you liked it, you can share it around and leave a like as well. And on that, take care, trade with care, manage your money well, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.